So hi guys, today we'll start on with the new feature which is circle. Okay, so I'll select the profile toolbar. From that I'll select the circle sub features, and I'll take that and I will create the sub command toolbar from it. And now I'll select the first command or the feature which is circle. I'll click on it. Here I can mention the coordinates of the points of the center of the circle. Enter. Next I want it to be at 40. Enter. Okay, and now I have to mention the radius. I want the radius to be 50. Enter. Now you can see the circle has been created. Okay, instead of that I can also directly specify the point on the coordinate by simply clicking on the coordinate. I can click on this and I can just click on the outside, or I can specify the diameter from here that I want the diameter to be 50 mm, and I will just click on it. Okay, so my circle is created. Now the next command is 3-point circle. For this I'll need a feature. For example, if I've drawn a square and I want the circle to be coincident with the 3 points on the 3 corresponding lines, I'll select the first line, I'll select the second line, and I'll select the third point, and I've created a circle with 1 point on this line, 1 point on this line, and 1 point on this line, and I've created a circle of 3-point line. Okay, so this is a 3-point line and I've created a 3-point line. First point is here, second point is here, and third point is here. I'll delete it and I'll move on to the next feature. Now when I click it, it will ask me what is the coordinate. I'll specify the coordinate to be 40 by 40. Okay, and I'll specify the radius to be 50, and I'll press enter. As you can see, a circle has been created directly without the use of the mouse or anything. We can directly specify the coordinates and the parameter of the circle by using this, and we'll get the circle. Okay, now similarly, as we have a 3-point circle, likewise we also have a 3 tri-tangent circle. For example, if I have a rectangle and I want to draw a tangent or okay, using 3s, or I want to draw a circumscribed rectangle, sorry. So I'll click on this, I'll select the 3 lines to which I want the tangent circle, and now as you can see, a circle has been created which is tangent to this line, and also to this line. You can also use different inclination of the line as for being tangent, and I'll press escape. Now I'll select the feature tri-tangent circle. I'll click on it, I'll select the first line, and I'll select the second line, then I'll select the third line. Now you can see a circle has been created which is tangent to the first line, which is also tangent to the second line, and which is also tangent to the third line. Okay, so in this way we can draw multiple tangents circles to multiple lines. Okay, now here is a tri-tangent 3-point arc. Similarly, as the 3-point circle, it also requires 3 points for drawing its arc. It is similar to the thing to the 3-point arc which was mentioned in the profile here 3-point arc. It is similar to that, but we have a separate command. We'll select the arc, we'll select the first endpoint. Okay, we'll select the next point to be here and the next point to be here. Now you can see my first point is here, my second point is here, and my third point is here. So if you want to draw a circle which passes through this point, and this point, so I'll select the 3-point arc, I'll click on to the first point, I'll select the second point, and I'll select the third point. Now you can see I've got a arc which passes through all the 3 points which I wanted it to pass through. Okay, so I've got the 3. So we'll move on to the next command, which is 3-point arc starting with limits. I'll click on that particular feature. Okay, it would create an arc. For this, I'll select the first point, I'll select the second point. Now it had asked me previously, now it is asking me the distance from the center point, and I have clicked it like this. In this, as you can notice, we had mentioned first endpoint, then second endpoint, and the third point, which is the limit. Suppose if I wanted to draw an arc like this, and this, and the endpoint was to be at this, so I would have drawn an arc with endpoints at the end of this line, endpoints of this line, and one which is tangent to this line. Okay, so we have drawn this arc. Now the last and the command in circle feature is the sub feature of the circle feature is arc. I'll click on it. I'll click any point from where I want my center of the arc to be. I'll click on the point. Now I'll specify the radius. Okay, I'll specify the radius, or I can specify the radius later on. I'll click on it. Now it would ask me the extent up to which I have to extend my arc. So I'll select my arc. I want my arc to be extended up till here. So I'll click over here, and my arc is created. Okay, so here we complete our circle toolbar completely. Now we have completed profile, we have completed rectangle feature, we have completed circle feature. In the next lecture, we'll start with spline, and we'll leave this tool for the later period. We'll cover ellipse, line, axis, and points. Thank you very much.